Hi guys, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, in today's newspaper of a Monday, June the 17th, 2024. We have here 3 regular puzzles. One of them I've already solved, the 3 Stars Sudoku, so 2 puzzles are left, the binary, and this one you are interested, it's the 4 Stars Sudoku. By the way, in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve in the evening. Not now. Now I will continue with the regular puzzles. News of today, well, told you earlier. Today it's 254 days ago another war started. Not in Ukraine but in Israel. In the Gaza, yes, 254 days. Well. That's a lot. Still continuing. Alright. Sudoku with 4 stars. Number 8734. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 25 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult, but you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers, then you will need more time to solve the puzzle. But for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more to solve. That's my time limit. 30 minutes or more. Usually the 4 stars Sudoku has 24 printed digits. This one has 1 digit more. Should be a 3 stars. For 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes. Question is this a 3 stars or 4 stars puzzle? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me start with 1 in this column, 1 in the second column, so the third column. Only 2 place level, the 1 should be here or there. We have 1 in the first row, no 1 there. 1 should be there. Alright, 1. Need a 1 here. Alright, 1. Cannot continue with 1. How about the 2 in the first column, 2 in the third column? So the column between the second column. The only 2 place level, the 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2. That means in this column we need a 2 here or there. Okay. Alright, 8 in this row. 8 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place level 8 should be there. Need a 7 here. Need a 7 there. Need a 7 here. Alright. How about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 in these 3 boxes. We have 3 in this row. Middle row, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So 1 box level 3 in this big square. Should be there. 3. 5. Well, I need a 4 here. Alright. Okay. 5. Need a 5 here. 5 in this column. 5 in the last column. So the column between. The only place level 5 should be there. 4 missing numbers in the middle row. 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and the 7. We have 4 and a 7 in this big square, so no 4 and a 7 in these 2 boxes. 4 and a 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and a 7. We have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 7 goes there, so 2 numbers left in the middle row. 4 numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. 1 and a 6. 1 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so they'll come next. Only place level 4, it should be there. 7 in this column, 7 in that column, so the column between the middle column. Only place level 7, it should be there. 7. And then 2 and then 9, 2 and 9, 2 and 9. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 9, 7. We have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so last column now only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the last row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this row, 1 in the last row, so the row between. Only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next, only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1s are used. I can't see. Digit number 1, number 1. Okay. How about the 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So the first row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the last column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4, 4. Wait. 8, 8. 7, 4, 2, and 1. Let me think. 7, 3. I need a 3 here. How about? Need a 6 here. Need a 6 there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, or there. So we have a 6 in this column, 6 in one of these 3 boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place level 6 should be there. 6, 6, okay. 3 missing numbers in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5 is missing. The 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8, 3, 5, 8. And look, we have 5 in this row, so no 5 there. We have 5 in the second row, no 5 there. So the only place left with 5 should be here. So 3 and 8 are left. 3 and 8 cannot fill this yet. So 1 is left in this big square for the mark. The 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. 9 is missing. Need a 9 there. Alright. 3, 3. Need a 5. And I need a 2. 2, 2. 2, 2. And a 9. Well. Need a 2. Need a 2 here. Need 2 there. Okay. Well. 3, 2, and 1. 3, 3. 8. 3 missing numbers in the first row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7 is missing. And the 8 is missing. 3, 7, 8. 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8, 3, 7, 8. And look, we have 7 and 8 in the last column. So no 7 and 8 in this box. 7 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as appear. 7, 8, 7, 8. We have 8 in the third column. No 8 there. 8 should be in. The 7 goes there. So 1 digit left in the first row for number 3. Alright. So we have a 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row, so the row between the second row. Only 2 places 11 and 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 3 and 8. Okay, need a 3, 8, and need an 8 there. Yeah. Need a 7 there. 7 here. 7 in this row. 7 in the middle row. From the row above. The only 2 places left of the 7 should be here. One there. We have 7 in the third column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the third column. 7 in the second column. So the first column. The only 3 places left of the 7 should be here. Here. One there. We have 7 in the last row. No 7 there. 7 in the row above. No 7 there. The only place left of the 7 should be there. 9 in the 3. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 3 in the second column. Look, 3 there. 3 should be here, and 9 goes at there. 3, 3. Okay. Alright. Need 9, need an 8. Need 8 here. 9, 8, and 4. Need a 4. How so? 4, 4. Alright. 4, 4. Come on. 3 and 8. We have a 3 now in the second row, so no 3 there. 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. 1 box left now in the second row. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing here. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 2 and 8, 2 and 8. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 8 in the last column, 8 in the column next on that column. The only place left 8 should be there. 1 box left in the last column. For the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing here. Alright. So we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, now only 2 places left, and 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 8 in this row, 8 in the last row, so the row between. The only 2 places left, and 8 should be here. Or there, we have 8 in this third column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can't see. Digit number 2, number 8. Alright. Now. 9 and 4, 9 and 4. Okay. 2 numbers left in the first column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the last row. No 9 there. 9 should be here. And 4 goes at there. 4 in the last row. 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only place left 4. 8 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here. Or there, we have a 4 in the second column, no 4 there, 4 is should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 4. Alright. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. For us, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, and the 6 is missing. 5, the 6, 5, the 6. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 5 in the third column. 5 in the first column. So the column between. The second column, the only place left 5. It should be there. 5 in this row. 5 in the last row. So the row between. The only place left 5. It should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, now only 2 places left, the 5 should be here. On there, we have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing, and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3, 2 and 3. We have a 2 in the middle column, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 2 and the 9, 2 and the 9. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes at there. Two missing numbers in this big square for the 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in there. 2 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in this row. I believe the 9, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing here. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in 9 in the last row, 9 in the row above. So that row down needs to place left, the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And after the minute here, the 6, so the 6 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for the man. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. Final 2 numbers in this big square for the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing, 3 and the 6, 3 and 6. We have 3 in this row, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes. Well, not faster than 50 minutes. Is this a 4 stars? No. 3 stars? No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm not faster than 50 minutes, otherwise it will be a 1 star. But we solve it again, and I like this one, yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so I can make it solve myself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the third regular puzzle, the binary puzzle. Until then, bye-bye for now.